Hey guys, I will show you how to edit a page title within your Shopify store. So in the admin section in your dashboard, click on Online Store in the left panel and click on Pages. So I have just created this store and this is only for instructional purposes, obviously. This is the area that you will see the first time as you set up your Shopify store. So simply click Add Page. And here you've got a window to put your Contact Us, the page title. So let's create Contact Us page because it will allow me to show you additional trick. So for Contact Us, you can actually select a different template than for other pages, because this particular template page contact, it will display a contact form on your page. So if you click save and view this page, you will be able to see what I mean. There we go. This is the page title and this is the default message form as brought by the template.